Hey, how's it going? My name's James. I'm the marketing manager over at Healthy Basement Systems. Today we're in Smithtown, New York, and we're gonna fix a foundation problem this homeowner's having. Come along with me and I'll show you how we do it.
So this mounting bracket is essentially, this gets mounted to the sill plate, and this is what helps reinforce the wall. So once the carpet armor dries, it's using the actual house to secure the foundation in place. This is a strap. This is gonna secure the carpet armor to the wall. This is gonna help with the reinforcement.
Why can't I get creative?
No.
Why do you have the right to get creative? And
No, you're not doing that. There you go. That's what I like to say. Mix it like you mean it. You just gotta really, don't touch it. Don't even touch it, just leave it.